I'm Deevyesh Radia, Executive Director of Offset Hydraulics Private Limited, and I'm also associated with various organizations in a voluntary capacity. I did a program at AMA, CXO Learning from the Future. It was interesting to learn various concepts like deep listening, understanding stakeholders' view, then concepts like voice of judgment and voice of cynicism. And the various exercises we did, like the empathy walk and the stakeholders interview, including the case method of study. This will really help me to be more effective in my various roles with my own company as a leader of my company, as well as my involvement in other organizations. I will be more effective and enable these organizations to achieve their goal in a much better and a productive way. Thank you.